At Intermatic, we've stood the test of time to define quality and dependability. And when the world gets tough, we don't just survive, we thrive. We've been here since 1891, across 3 centuries. We were here before computers, television, motion pictures, and FM radio. Before airplanes and automobiles. Before nylon, polyester, plastic, penicillin, cellophane, zippers, refrigerators, and vacuum cleaners. We were here when our flag had 43 stars and before most people had indoor plumbing. We've survived 2 world wars and 2 global pandemics, the rise and fall of the Iron Curtain, the Great Depression and the Great Recession, rock and roll, and duck and cover. We've even weathered the tragic World Series drought of our hometown Cubs from 1908 to 2016. To be in business as long as we have, you have to make quality products. Intermatic has built a reputation for quality and dependability, which begins with our engineering and testing department and extends through our factory, distribution center, and award-winning customer service department. We've been family-owned and locally managed since the beginning, and as far as we're concerned, everyone else is just a startup. Intermatic, for quality and durability most trusted by professional contractors. Here's to a bright future for all of us.